So just before I tell you about our giraffe here on the left, I'm going to tell you a little bit about our Bantry camels. Just on the right hand side there, so we have three females, Tuli, Helani and Gucci. And they come, the Guinea baboons have a dominant alpha male, and it's not determined by age, it's just determined on how the males fight the dominance as alpha, so it does change around quite frequently. And quite often you'll spot them